परवरे केटीएम शोरूमा कडेन एक्सिडेंटात आजगांवचो तरणाटो आगताक गेलो. ट्रकान मोटरसायकलीक फाटल्यान मोखली. गेला तो आजगांव बार्देसचो 23 वर्सांचो जीवन कुलासो. दुसरो एकलो आजगांवचोच मोइझीन फर्नांडिसाक किरकोळ मार लागलो. ताका जीएमसींतल्यान घरा धाडला. दोगूय जाण जे टू व्हिलरीन वताले ताका फाटल्यान ट्रकान धपको दिलो. परवरे पोलिसांनी ट्रकाच्या ड्रायव्हराक धरला. साजुजे दे आरियलच्या लोकांक थंयच्यान रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅक गेल्लो नाका. डबल ट्रॅक मार्क करपाक म्हूण आयिल्ल्या ऑफिसरांक लोकांनी आडायले. रेल्वेक आनीक जमीन दिवचे ना म्हूण लोक सांगता. 5 ऑक्टोबराक ह्या इश्यूचेर पंचायत आनी रेल्वे ऑफिसरांची कलेक्टरा बरोबर मिटींग जातली.
कोकण रेल्वे मार्गात डबल ट्रॅक करपाक मार्किंग करूंक गेल्ल्या रेल्वे ऑफिसरांक लोकांनी मंगळारा आडयले. पंचायत लोकांवटेन उबी रावल्या. मात झेडपी म्हणटा हो नॅशनल इंट्रस्टाचो प्रोजेक्ट आशिल्ल्यान विरोध करप बरोबर न्ही. मिटींग घेवन कितें तरी उपाय काडूंक जाय.
तांकां कितें जालां ते 3 सर्वे लागताय ताका. सो त्या सर्वेचेर ते कोण मेळटाय न्हू तांकां सगळ्यांक तेणी नोटीस धाडली. एक्चुअली तांगे कितें आहा लेंथ 390 केलो आहा तेणी आनी वीथ फक्त 10 मीटर. सो 10 मीटर आहा ते मातशे मुखार वयता आनी लोकांक हे सगळ्यांक प्रॉब्लेम आहा की लोकांक वायब्रेशन जाताय म्हूण घरां आनी आमकां नाका म्हूण. सो आतां फुडली कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन लोकांक कितें जाय ते प्रमाणे करपाचें.
You can see this place. They want to acquire 17 meters from the center of the railway track. 17 meters from the railway track almost reaches that house which is there. So people are objecting to that. Now again, this project being of national interest, total opposing also is not a correct way, if you ask me. Because tomorrow they might acquire it, and then if people are going to get something, that also they might not get. So the middle path is to have a discussion with the collector and the railway officials, the panchayat body, and the core group of villages who are affected, the stakeholders, and see if there is any the distance can be made little less on those grounds.
Nothing is decided. People have requested to have a meeting with collector on the first week of October. I will consult with collector and have a date. We have came to show them demarcate the boundary, railway boundary what we are going to acquire.
Yes, sir. So, but has that taken place?
No, they didn't allow us.
रेल्वे वाल्यांनी खंय ब्लँक फॉर्मांचेर सायनी घेवपाचो यत्न केल्लो.
It's not a question of affecting the people who houses, certain houses. We are not targeting or something like that.
See, all
it is
the
the issue of a village.
Here, only those who are affected. There are many of them who are not affected
all supporting.
also. So there is a supporting of the thing. It's nothing that only those people who are affected are here.
See, nobody is against development, but development cannot come at the cost of people's houses.
Yes.
If people whose houses are getting affected, they are not agreeing, it has to be mutually decided that okay, we'll call up a meeting if they have not agreed to it. Because every time what happens is, when nobody is there, the railway, they come with their people, they try to do the marking. Then villagers, they throw them out. Again they come in the afternoon, again they try to do the marking. The first thing they had done was sending a blank form to all the villagers and getting it signed from them. When they came to me, I read the form and I said, you have no authority to take a blank form. I had gone to the meeting as well. And at the same meeting, they had put the form again. I said, nobody will sign it.
ह्या इश्यूचेर 5 तारखेक पंचायत रेल्वे ऑफिसरांची कलेक्टरा बरोबर मिटींग जातली म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्ट फ्रेडीत रावासो सांगता.
हिंगा लोकांन टोटली डिसिजन घेयलो आमी आमगे सिंगल स्क्वेअर मिटर रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटी दिवपा न्हय. सो ते टेप लावपाक गेलो तेन्ना रेल्वे ऑफिसरान लोकांक आडयले आमी दिनाय आनी आमी इतलो डिमांड मागताय आमगेलो खुंचो जमनी कुडको रेल्वे दिवपा आमी रेडी नाय आनी आतां ते म्हणटाय तेश करून 5 तारखेर मिटींग थारावपा जाताय. आमी लोकांक एश डिसिजन जावपा जाय आनी आमगे पंचायतांनी एश करूं जाय. आमकां रेल्वे लागून ग्राम सभा जाय स्पेशल.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.
स्वच्छता ही सेवा. गोंयांत 15 सप्टेंबर ते 2 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाच्यो कार्यावळी चालू आसात. पळयात एक झलक.
मडगांवच्या रविशा कुडचडकराच्या स्वच्छ भारताचेर बरयल्ल्या निबंधाचेर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खुश. रविशाक ह्या निबंधाक बक्षिसय मेळ्ळा. मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारानूय ताची तोखणाय केली.
A bit shocked because it came into the observation of our Prime Minister. It's like I have achieved something really great in my life, which I will never forget it. Again, thanks to Prime Minister for reading such beautiful words. It sounded like music to my ears. So thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm very proud of my daughter. It's really very happy news. It's a great news. I just come from the head of the country. I must thank Narendra Modi, being a very busy man, and such type of essays which has been drawn to his attention.
मुरगाव नगरपालिकेन स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाची कार्यावळ केली. कार्यावळीक राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा आशिल्ली. स्वच्छतेचे संस्कार खंय फॅमिलींतल्यान येतात.
एक और बात, बहुत बड़ी बात है जो महिलाओं को और पुरुषों को भी सुनने और समझने की बात है कि गार्बेज को सेपरेट करके भी रखना है. एक ही साथ सारे गार्बेज को नहीं रखना, एक साथ एक अलग अलग सेपरेट करने में इन लोगों को सुविधा होती है. इसलिए जिसको गार्बेज मैनेजमेंट कहते हैं लोग अच्छी तरह कर पाएंगे. वो अभी अभ्यास डालेंगे. मैंने एक नारा दिया, स्वच्छता है संस्कार, देता जिसे परिवार. परिवार में ही स्वच्छता का संस्कार आ जाता है. छोटे बच्चों को हम सिखाते हैं नहीं, केले के छिलके को यहाँ मत छोड़ो, जाओ डस्टबिन में डाल के आओ.
मडगांव नगरपालिकेनूय स्वच्छ भारत जागृती काय प्लान केल्यात. 2 ऑक्टोबराक सायकल रॅली वा वॉकथॉन करपाचो तांचो प्लान.
First of all, as this whole week has been declared till 2nd of October as a Swachh Bharat, we are planning to announce the invitation for expression of interest for launch of awareness generation program under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for Margao Municipal Council, which shall include designing and installation of boards at municipal boundaries with slogans and graphics that help to keep the city clean, organizing workshop or seminars on waste management, school college level awareness. Because on 2nd of October we would like to have maybe a cycle rally or a walkathon or something like that. And
मडगांवां स्पोर्ट्स अँड यूथ अफेर्सान स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांक घेऊन मडगांवां स्वच्छता रॅली काढली. 9 स्कुलांनी रॅलीन वांटो घेतलो.
ही जी रॅली आसा ही डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स अँड यूथ अफेअर यांच्यानी ऑर्गनायज केल्ली ही रॅली. ह्या रॅलीन जवळ जवळ 9 स्कुलां म्हणजे अंदाजे 270 भुरगे पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले. आणि ह्या रॅलीन स्लोगन दीत ह्या भुरग्यांनी मेट्रोपोला कडल्यान म्युनिसिपालिटी पर्यंत ही रॅली हाडिल्ली आसा. आणि ही रॅली फाटल्यान एक जागरूकता निर्माण जावची गोंयांत की स्वच्छता ही कित्याक आमकां गरजेची आसा. आणि ही स्वच्छता 2019 पर्यंत आमचे अशें विजन आसा की पूर्ण भारत सगळ्या भारता भितर ही स्वच्छता जावची. सो हे मिशन धरून आमी ही स्वच्छता रॅली ऑर्गनायज केली.
पणजे सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांनी स्वच्छता मोहिमेखाला तांची कर्मभूमी साफ करून घेतली.
This special cleanliness campaign, which involves all the staff of the secretariat who have been divided to 3 locations today morning, is to mark the new initiative and the new stage, the new phase in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Right from last week onwards, we have been undertaking a whole lot of activities across departments of government of Goa under the overall supervision of the Directorate of Municipal Administration and the Directorate of Panchayats. Today's initiative is specifically for the government staff in 3 locations today at the CCP office at Azad Maidan and here from the front of the North Goa Collectorate. Teams will be moving to spread awareness amongst the commercial establishments and amongst general public about the need for cleanliness. And also they will be undertaking a special cleanliness drive. So as you can see, many staff members from the secretariat have gathered here and it has just been flagged off. So
फोंड्या फॉरेस्टाच्या स्टाफानूय साफ सफाईक हात घालो.
पोंडा मेन रोड से पोंडा फॉरेस्ट रेस्ट हाउस तक के रोड पे जो भी ऐसे ब्लैक स्पॉट्स थे जहाँ की कूड़ा कचरा आजू बाजू के लोग डाल देते हैं और उसको साफ करने के कुछ समय के उपरांत वो फिर से कूड़ा वहाँ एकत्रित हो जाता है. तो ऐसे स्पॉट्स को हमने आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको आज वन विभाग नॉर्थ गोवा डिवीजन जो है उनके अधिकारी एवं कर्मचारी वर्ग को साथ में लेकर एक सफाई अभियान चलाया है जो सुबह 9:30 बजे से चला था. इसमें लगभग 50 से ज़्यादा सरकारी मुलाजिमान अधिकारी शामिल हैं. और
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट प्रूडेंट.
गिव एक ब्रेक.